Hello, 6th grade. Welcome to your homework video for November 1st. Today in class, we modeled multiplying fractions by fractions. So the directions on the top say, please shade in the fractional amounts in the square to model the word problem. So down below, I have a bunch of sentences. I'm going to take them sentence by sentence, one at a time, to make sure I really understand what's going on. The first sentence says, the math class is having a party. If I look down below, this doesn't really look like a class because a class looks like it's full of students, but this box, this square, is going to represent a whole class. If the whole thing is colored in, then it would mean the whole class. So right now, this is a whole class. The whole class is having a party. The next sentence says, 2/3 of the class will bring chips. So not this entire picture. Now I need to divide this picture into 3 because the denominator is 3. And 2 of those 3 are going to bring chips. So I'm going to get rid of what I have colored here. And now I'm going to color in 2 of them. 1, 2. 2 of 3 is 2/3. These are the people who are going to bring chips. Now be really careful. In the next sentence, it starts off with the words of those. This does not mean of the entire class. It means of what I've already colored in. So of the blue part, 1/4 is going to also bring napkins. So just for the blue part, I'm going to color in. First I have to make fourths. So here they are. Making my rows. I have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and 4 rows. So of the blue part, 1/4 is going to bring napkins. So to show that, I'm going to color in 1 of those parts. But if I color in 1 of those parts, this piece is not 1/4, it's 1/8 because it's 1 out of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can't just color in 1 of those little squares. These numbers in front, these gold numbers mean the rows. So because I got to 4 rows, I need to color in 1 whole blue row. This is a picture of 1/4 of 2/3. To answer the question, I can extend my lines across, and I see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 total. So I'll write that over here, 12. And then I need to count the purple ones. 1, 2, so that's 2. So it looks like the answer is 2/12. But now what I want from you is for you to write the multiplication sentence. Yesterday in class, we wrote of a fraction of something else, and then we wrote equals, and then a times problem over here. Right? So you might need to look back at your sheet that we did in class to see what to write on the very bottom. But please make sure that you write a multiplication sentence. Right? If you're not sure what goes over here in this red spot, but you know what goes over here, right? They're almost identical except one of them has a times. Give it your best shot. Today was day 1. It's okay if you're unsure, but do the best you can. See you in class tomorrow.